Hey guys, so I thought I'd quickly tell you about this new guide on TikTok. TikTok is going viral, basically, as far as growth is concerned. It used to be considered only for young people, dancing around and stuff, and it is great for that. However, now more people are considering it for putting their advertising, their businesses on there, etc. Now, whatever the case, whether you want to know what TikTok is all about, or if you want to start promoting your products, whether you're an affiliate marketer or whatever, and you want to know all about TikTok and what to do, how to promote your services or products, and know the ins and outs of TikTok, there is now a guide. Now, the guide is in French, guys, but that is no problem whatsoever, because you can translate it in a matter of seconds, and I will show you how in a minute. And that's another thing. With this video, I'll show you how you can also make a living, not only from TikTok, but you can also make a living from translating, being a freelance translator of documents. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, so here's my review I did of it, right? But this, because it's in French, I sort of didn't know what to, oh, there's a mistake there. I'll have to correct that. Now the guide is called TikTok Millionaire, the ultimate guide on TikTok. Okay. Now I put please note the guide is in French, but it's easy to translate it using Google Docs, and that's the Google Docs tool, and that is what I use. Now, so here I am in Google Docs. Okay. If you don't know how to get Google Docs, I think it's, just download Google Drive and then go to Google Docs. Look up Google Docs, and then it'll show you how to do it on, if you Google Docs. Now, once you've got into Google Docs, go up to Tools, guys. Go up to Tools here. See here. Okay. Then go into Translate Document. Okay. Then from there, you could pick whatever language you want. So for this one, I choose, because I went from French into English, so for this one, I turned it into English. So where's English? There. So, all you do, when you buy this guide, all you do is, now you can only read one page at a time, so all you do, and this takes a second to translate, and it's very good. I thought it'd be sort of useless translation, but it's actually very good. So it's in French. So when you get it, come to Google Docs, and it's a digital download as well, guys. So it's not as though you have to photocopy each page. All you do is, copy and paste each page into Google, translate it, and boom. And I'll leave the link below for this guide. It's called TikTok Millionaire, the Ultimate Guide. Now, excuse me, I'll show you what I translated it from. I'll just show you. So here's the original here. Now, I don't know, the only word I know in this is TikTok. I don't know French at all. So there it is, guys, okay? And all I did, maybe I can show you. Okay. So, say this is the first part of the guide, okay? You come over to File, you select, Edit, you edit, select all. Okay, it's selected all. Hold on. I don't think you even need to do that. I think you just go straight into Tools, go to Translate. Now, I'll show you guys. I'll translate it into English once again so you can see that it's legit. Where is it? And don't forget, guys, you can do this with anything. So
there is a website called Latium, Latium,
and all the people on there, all they want you to do is translate their documents, and you get paid for it. Okay, so come over to here and do that in seconds. Okay, but anyway, I'll show you this. Okay, so see, we've got this French TikTok document guide, ultimate guide, TikTok Millionaire it's called. So it's got, as far as I know, there are not any major guides to TikTok, especially for making money on TikTok. I think there are 0 guides out there. I might be wrong, but okay, there's the French. Okay, press English and press translate. And boom comes to bam, there it is. How long did that take, guys? A couple of seconds, and my computer is actually pretty slow. There it is. Look, this new comprehensive guide shows you how to make money on TikTok, even if you don't know anything about it. So it's, doesn't come out to be scrambled English or whatever. Let's have a quick look through this. Blah blah blah. See, it's all pretty good. That took, you might have to quickly go through it and just separate. I think that's about the only one I've found. And that word, what following was it? Oh, good. But anyway, it's a very good translation, especially for free. Okay, TikTok Millionaire, guys. Okay. Like I say, I'll leave the link below for this, and don't forget, you can go over to I'll name that website again, where you can be a freelance translator and translate documents like this, like you saw me just do. Now, what I did then, guys, that's this document, this TikTok guide. Oh, my phone's going. I'll have to let that be for the moment, because I'm busy. Oh boy. Now, that took a second. If you go over to Latium, Latium, that'll take, you'll probably get paid, I don't know, whatever, anywhere from $10 to $100 just for that, what I just did then. Okay? And as you can see, it's a very good translation. TikTok. Here's a small selection of what you discover. Who am I to teach you this? Blah, blah, blah. Explode your competition on TikTok now. So there you go, guys. I'll leave a link below for the guide if you're interested in the guide. And if you need to do any translation and you want to make money from translating documents into any language, come to Google Docs, go on to Tools, go down to Translate Document, and it will do it for free. And you can get paid for it. But anyway, guys, I will, like I say, I'll leave a link below for this TikTok guide. It's called TikTok Millionaire. It is in French. But don't worry, because you've seen how easy it is to translate, and the guide is it's digital. So all you do is download it, then you copy each page up to into your Google Doc, and then translate it, and boom. All you do with the digital thing is just copy and paste the whole guide into Google Docs, and then translate the whole thing in a couple of seconds. Hope that's helped.